So hey folks, here I am in my bus. A little bit messy right now, but got a product review to do. All right, there we go. That's better. All right, I got a product review to do, and let me show you what it is. All right, so many times trying to set this thing up right without screwing it up. All right, so many times people will you have a USB-C port on some computers and laptops. What I found was that, okay, so this is going in. This is my USB-C. Oh, got to pull the other one out. Sorry about that. All right. So I'm putting the original one that I got. Okay, so I got that in there, and then I would hook this thing into here. All right, so I would hook this into here as the gotta go the other way, I think, just because I put that thing in backwards. It goes either way, USB-C. So I would have that in there, and every now and again I would start losing connection because it started getting loose. This started getting loose. I would have to put something underneath there to hold it up so it wouldn't lose the connections. As you can keep on hearing, it keeps on losing. So what I did was I went on Amazon and found a magnetic USB. Little thing like this. And then it has an adapter for it that plugs in. So this just slides right on into the USB, pop it in, and it stays there. You don't have to worry about messing with it. Take this thing here off, and you put this thing here. This thing here is the other part to that magnetic thing. You put that thing on. Alright, so basically what you're doing is you're taking the old adapter, alright, and you're plugging it into the new piece of adapter right here. This piece right here comes with that magnetic part. So you plug this in. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably so. There you go. Then you plug that into the USB, obviously, the other USB, the original, yeah. And then you just go clip, and it's a much firmer connection than the original was, or than this was. It just gets loose in there, but with that new one in there, you don't take it out. You just, you know, boom, pop it on, and it's good. And I have all my accessories going through this cable here up to here, and then up inside of there I have two USB hubs, one on this side and one on this side. So that's how that works. And so far I've been using it for a week now, and I've not had a problem with it. Especially the kind of problems I had with the other one where it would get loose and lose the connection. So it seems to be working out fine, and I'll have a link in the description for it. Plus I'll have a picture up here of it on Amazon. So I hope that helps some of you folks out that maybe are having a connection issue right there with USB-C. This fixed my problems. I hope it works for you if you decide to go with one. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Be safe.